This is a brief introduction to the LEGO Mindstorms. This is the application that you'll be using to program our LEGO EV3 Mindstorm brick to do all the robotics. So the URL code is makecode.mindstorm.com. I'll have that link in Google Classroom. New project, you'll just press new project. Comes up like this. First time it always comes up with these two blocks. This is where you'll be using block code. You can also be expecting you to move towards using JavaScript. But just if we get rid of on start and just go forever, then we'll just go motor, tank start. So you just drag and drop. So you can also copy and paste things. I just tapped on that, Control C, Control V, drag it up there. And so say, I'll press the plus there. I press the plus here, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to go forward 30 rotations, sorry, 30%. That's motor power at 30%. Then I'm going to go negative 30%, and tab, and negative 30%. So what this says is continuously loop, forever, that means a loop. So tank mode has been C on at 30% for 2 rotations forward, and negative 30 means backwards for 2 rotations. Actually, it doesn't necessarily mean backwards and forwards because it depends on how you place the motors on the robot. So that's a brief introduction. So I'm just going to go down here. I'm just going to go motor test. And I'm going to download that. Now that downloads it straight from the web browser onto the computer. It comes up with this every single time. It's rather frustrating, but so it is. Okay, got it. Here, I'm going to say show in folder, and it's just here. So when you plug in your EV3 brick, this thing here, it'll come up in the list of different drives here. You're not going to have this many, but it's going to look similar. You just drag and drop that into your EV3 section onto the brick, and then it'll actually start straight away. If you've got the forever loop, it'll start straight away. So we're going to go through that in class, but that is just a brief, very brief introduction to the LEGO makecode.mindstorm.com editor. So we'll go through it in class, but there you go.